Sellers, are you constantly asking yourself the following question in today's housing market? What if I sell now at these higher mortgage rates? Or what if I sell now but can't find a replacement house? Will I regret selling so soon or regret not selling soon enough? In a housing market full of twists and turns, these are valid and concerning questions. Hi, I'm Maureen Mahood, broker owner of Sell Your Home Charlotte here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina. And I think we all can agree that 2023 was a turbulent year for the real estate, with high mortgage rates and scarce inventory making sellers uncertain about listing their properties. But did you know that now can be the perfect time to list your home? If you're a homeowner with a good amount of equity in your home but also carrying debt, now might be the perfect time to sell. Most homeowners have enough equity in their home to pay off their high debts like credit cards or car payments and to consolidate their bills. And when you go and make the purchase of your replacement property, you may find yourself in a better position than you were with that 3% mortgage rate and high debts. Plus, you can take advantage of the current market with your sale and your purchase because there is less competition, meaning you can still get a fair price for your home and probably even a better price for your replacement home. So don't let being married to your rate prevent you from getting that ultimate dream home that you want. Reach out to me, Maureen Mahood, broker owner of Sell Your Home Charlotte. If you're thinking about selling or buying, we can put a plan together, create a comprehensive listing marketing plan for you to get the best possible return on your investment. Again, I'm Maureen Mahood, broker owner of Sell Your Home Charlotte here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina. Remember, nobody sells Charlotte like we do. And if you like this content, please hit the subscribe button.